To claim the pirate sword in Red Dead Redemption 2, head to this spot on the map. You'll discover a wrecked boat and the remains of a fallen pirate. Watch out, alligators prowl nearby. Grab the sword by his side and wield it as a deadly melee weapon.